So now for example number 3, we have another triangle pyramid. And we're told that this is 4 feet, and then from here to here is 3 feet. And we're asked to find the height again. So they want to know what's the height of this thing, of the pyramid. And we are also given the volume. The volume is 14 feet cubed. Okay? So again, the volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. This is a triangle, so the area of the base is 1/2 times the little base of the triangle times the height, altitude height of the triangle, and then the altitude height of the pyramid itself. So this is 1/2 times the base, which we will say is 4. That's coming from here. This is the little triangle, times the altitude height of this little triangle. In other words, the triangular base has 4 and an altitude height of 3. So that's where all that's coming from. That's just the base of the triangle. And then the rest of the formula is 1/3 times the height of this thing. But the height is what we're solving for. We are given that the volume is equal to 14. So now I have nothing but numbers and one letter or variable h. And let's solve. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1/2 of 12 is 6. 1/3 of 6 is 2. So all this math right here reduces down to 2 times h is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 2, and I get 7 is equal to h. So the altitude height of the pyramid is 7 feet.